Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video it's about profiling. So let's start the program.
Let's change the background color, shall we?
And this time I'm going to test almost every filter so far. Oh, but first let's change the backgrounds and the themes.
The background of the editor is ready. Let's load some textures.
And that's better. Let's load some wallpapers. And
Let's enlarge the texture. It is more visible.
no flip, default, let's resize it. Be more visible. Something like this, and then start to profile each of the filters. So let's start with borders. Let's say green border, something like this. Report border 1. I want to see here down profiling because it has difference between the calculation of start and end and the loading of the texture, which is separate process. So I'll show you later in the code. Different color and so on. Oh, let's try with colorize. Maybe blue channel. Yes. Done profiling. Let's try the next filter. Let's restore it. Next one. I'll pass that because it has some issues to consider to resolve. I pass. Next one, brightness adjustment. Let's restore it. Contrast. Let's try with some factor. Yes. Then exposure adjustment. Let's try something like this. Binary also has some issues to resolve. Grayscale. Let's restore it. Invert. Beautiful effect, I think. Film grain, but maybe not so visible because the so actually let's try with another wallpaper because it's it has too many details, so maybe this one should be visible for the film grain. Let's make them 70. It takes a lot of time to reload the texture. Yeah, so let's clean it, yeah, and both. Then profiling, and now it is reloading.
Emboss like a boss.
Yes. Let's try with another. This mountain and both gamma correction, hyper value, then profiling. Now, nice one. It's almost nothing is visible anymore. Let's restore it. Validation, then profiling, and the reloading process. It's nothing happens. Interesting. Okay, next one. The return shadow. Let's make it something like this. Highlight. Maybe this one. Then profiling, down writing. Interesting. Okay. And the last one. Midtones. Shadow. Let's see. And the last one is just the info for the file. It's not profiling any
A bug has been detected. Over here!
anything. Interesting. For each of them. I should check out this, why it is happening. It's a new bug.
Let's the code explain begin.
So let's start with the code. Over here is the report function from the structure. Over here, this function report, passing one parameter, file name. Done profiling for the standard output, cout, and then in a file output, just in reports folders, a folder directory over here. It is passing the concatenating the file name, and here the report stats, function name, execution time. And let's check out some of the files. Borders, it takes microseconds, around 4,500. Oh, here borders, different types, brightness adjustment, report stats, milliseconds, colorize. What was maybe emboss, almost 2 seconds. Exposure. So basically a tracker for time consumption of each of the functions for the filters. In this case, we just start high resolution clock, and let's say here the name of the function, film grain. Here just starting the timer and assign to the variable start, that is over here, this one, time point and end point. And I'm starting the timer when the for loops are started and do some calculations over here, and then end timer after that, and here making the report based on which filter, and just exporting to reports folder directory. And the same applies to the other filters, their name, function name, start of the timer and the end of the timer. So it's useful tool for profiling.
Let's the code explain end.
That's all for this video. If you have some questions, suggestions, let me know in the comments below.
Arigato! Until next time!